Hey everyone, welcome back. In this hands-on video, I'll show you how to disable contact photos in the Apple Mail app on your iPhone. Apple has introduced significant updates to the Mail app, including new categories and priority messages features. With categories, your emails are automatically organized into 4 sections: primary, transactions, updates, and promotions. Additionally, contact photos and business logos now appear in your inbox to enhance conversation visibility. However, if you're not a fan of these visual changes, you can easily disable them. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So first off, you have to launch the Settings app on your iPhone. And then you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and choose the Apps option. And then you have to search for or scroll to Mail in the list of apps. And under Message List section, turn off the toggle right next to Show Contact Photos, and there you have it. You have successfully disabled the contact photos in the Apple Mail app on your iPhone. Later, if you ever want to get back this feature, just turn on the toggle right next to Show Contact Photos via the same setting, and that's about it. Disabling contact photos in the Apple Mail app is quick and easy, giving you a cleaner and more streamlined inbox. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. And I'll catch you up in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.